So this is the top area, and you can easily see cracks. This is an intrusion that they've already made, which could be the major reason. But the main intrusion is this one, just next to the gate, so you can clearly see from where the water is going inside. And the rest is this part, which is clearly visible. So we can have a problem from this area, which is a major area, major reason of ingress of water, not treated properly. The other reason could be the side linings of this, which could be leading to the dampness in the lower floor.